Welcome to the 8-week reset drawing. In just another day, I am going to be drawing a lucky winner. That person is going to win the PowHERbands, the revolutionary resistance band training system that I created specifically for the 17-minute workout. It is the most efficient and effective fat-burning, muscle-building program that will help you stay consistent. That is the key. Drop your information below, and I'm going to show you how to crush your cravings, sizzle fat, get your body sculpted, toned, and tight, no matter what level you're at. And once you sign up, you're going to see how you can also help somebody else, because that's what it's about. When you start sharing it around, if the person that you share it to wins, you're going to walk away with my $180 set for my collagen. I've been using this for 3 years. It is a game changer. I can't wait to see who wins, and welcome, welcome. Best of luck to you. Create your best day ever.